The model-based reflect agent here is nothing but if the environment is partially observable, it is not fully observable. In that case, to keep the track of the things that the sensor cannot detect. Okay, so when it is partially observable, it is the sensors cannot perceive the complete information of the environment, then it is partially observable. So to keep the track of whatever information the sensors cannot perceive. Okay, so we should have the internal state. Here we should have an internal state. So the agent should maintain some sort of internal state. Okay, this internal state depends upon present history, and thereby it reflects whatever information it is not observing. No? So from the current state, if the sensor is not observing any information, that information can be obtained from this internal state. This internal state depends only on perceived history. Okay. So for example, nowadays due to COVID, the 11th standard students are passed out, 10th standard students are passed out. How do you measure their performance? Okay. Their performance measure can be measured from the previous mark sheets, that is their perceived history, yes or no? So that the state of that is the previous status of environment is stored in the internal state. Using that, whichever information cannot be observed in the current state can be compensated by using this internal state. Okay, so for example, braking problem. We have discussed the braking problem. Whenever the vehicle, the car in front brakes, what happens? The lights, brake lights will on or off. Okay, so on and off. Okay, so if it is not observed by the agent, okay, driver, that is, if it is not observed by the driver, what happens? He cannot put the brake. Then that car will be in trouble. Okay, so to avoid that, what it has to do, it has to check the internal state. What is the internal state? In this case is the previous frame. So from the previous frame, it will be detecting whether two red lights at the edges of vehicle is go on or off simultaneously. If it is going on or off simultaneously, it assumes that the vehicle in front is brake, so that it will act accordingly. Okay, so like that we will be getting the internal state, which is the, what is the internal state in this case is the previous frame. Okay, now for example, driving task. Driving task here is changing lanes. Okay, so here what is that? For example, we are driving, there are the other vehicles will be crossing us. Okay, so in that case we have to track all other cars. Okay, so sometimes it cannot be possible to see all at once. So in that case, what we have to do, we should have the internal state. It will be updating every information about the other cars. Okay, so from that, actions can be taken. So updating this internal state information as time goes by requires two kinds of knowledge. So here, this agent should have two kinds of knowledge. What is the first one is how the world evolves independent of agent. Okay, independent of agent action, how the world is changing. Okay, that is the first knowledge, the first information the agent should have. For example, in the overtaking car, generally, so if you take vehicles behind our agent, what happens as time goes, it will move close to us. Okay, so they independent of agent, what is the other vehicles are becoming other vehicles, how the environment is changing means the other vehicles are moving close to the agent. Okay, so that is called the world evolves independent of agent. Independent of agent, the how other vehicles are changing, other vehicles position is changing, that is called how world evolves independent of agent. And the second knowledge it should have how the agent own action affect the world. Okay, so without agent action, how the world is changing, that is the first information it should have. And it should also have how agent's action will affect the world. For example, when the agent turns steering wheel clockwise, if the agent turns steering wheel clockwise, what happens? The car turns to right Okay. Now, after driving for 5 minutes, what happens? It might have driven 5 miles from its original location. Means that it is changing the state. Okay. So, because of agent own action, it has driven around 5 miles from its original position. Okay. So, like that, it should have these two information. So, this knowledge about how world works, how world is working with agent action, without agent action, how world is working with this knowledge is called model of the world. Okay. So, this knowledge about how the world works is called model of the world. Okay. So the agent that uses such a model is called model based agent. Okay. So what is that model based agent? Model based agent will be having two types of information. That is the how the world is changing without agent action. The second one is how the agent action will affect the world. Okay. So these two knowledge is it gives you how the world works. Okay. So and it is called model of the world. So if the agent that uses this model is called model based agent. Is it clear? Okay. Now if you see, this is the figure here. So because what is that we have discussed, this model based agent will have some internal state because it is working in the partially observable environment. Okay. So that to get the updated state, what it has to do, it will get the internal state of the environment. Okay. So using this internal state and current state, it will get updated state. And we also have two types of information, that without agent action, how world is evolved, and with the agent action, how the world is changing. Okay. With these three information, we will be getting how world is like now. Okay. How the world is like now. Okay. It is called model of the world. Okay. It is the model. Okay. So then it is also depend on action, condition, action rules. So this information with this along with this information, it will take it will select a rule. Okay. So using that rule, some action will be performed on the environment. Okay. So this part is similar to simple reflect agent. Only this part, this is the extra part added in the model based agent. That is, it will have some internal state and it will have two types of information, the knowledge, two types of knowledge. That is how the world evolves, how agent actions do. Okay. With these three, it will get the complete information about the environment. Okay. So with the complete information or complete state of the environment, okay, is given to the condition action rule. From this, it will select a rule from this. Okay. That rule is used to find out the proper action. Okay. So that action is given to the actuators that will be performed on the environment. So this is the model based reflect agent. Now if you see that here we are having three types of database. The first one is state. That is the state describes the current world state. Okay. And means what happens here, the state will be updated every time. Okay. Using internal state and the current state, the state of the system will be updated. Okay. So then it is also have rules. What is the rules? It is a set of condition action rules. From this, we will be selecting a rule that matches the current state of the environment properly, and we have to perform an action. Okay. Based on the rules, some action will be performed. Okay. So the most recent action initially null. Okay. And every time this action will be updated. Okay. Because here what agent's action do, because of this action should be updated. Okay. So that is why we should also have track of the actions. Okay. Now just now we have discussed, no, there are three function: update, state. Okay. So how the state will be updated? Using this internal state, and what is the action performing, what is the current percept. Using this, the state will be updated. Okay. And the state and these two are similar to reflect simple reflect agent. That is, first state as given as the input and rules. From that rules we have the database. From the rules database, it will be selecting a rule that matches the state properly. Okay. And this rule as given as input to rule underscore action. This function gives an action. Okay. So this is the model based reflect agent. It keeps track of current state of the world using the internal model. Using internal model, it will be keeping track of current state of the world. It then chooses an action in the same way as the reflect agent. So how it is choosing an action? It is choosing the action same as reflect, simple reflect agent. Okay, only here it is updating the status every time. So only this part is extra for model based agent. Okay.